Hello spectators, I am KHUSHBOO. This video contains the section of idea expansion for Standard 10 State Board, also works for your personality development. And the topic is time and tide wait for none. It's an age-old and a very famous proverb which highlights the value of time. It encourages us to utilize our time optimally. God has distributed this time as a gift to everyone. Also, it's the only thing which cannot be stored for your future events, as in today's time cannot be utilized tomorrow. Either it's now or never. Unlike time, it's the tide which waits for no one. Whether the climatic conditions are poor, whether it's a full moon, whether you're standing on the coastline, if you're not the sailor master, if you're not cautious, you will drown. Time should be treated as a precious commodity, as life. What is life? Is it the mere breathing exercise? Or what is time? Often this time and life are termed together as a lifetime. What does that mean? Time is now and here. Life is now and here. Past is gone, future is about to come. So you should enjoy your today to the fullest, without caring about the world. I don't mean you need to be rash, but you should enjoy every moment, because life is not about a whole life at a go. It's about several moments stitched together which makes your lifetime. So you live your life to the fullest. Live life king size. Shakespeare had said this thing in his Richard II, that I wasted time, now that time wastes me. We have examples of several famous personalities who had to accept defeat in front of time. Alexander the Great is the brilliant example who accepted defeat in front of the divine power of time. He wished to show people that he was going to heaven empty-handed, without carrying a single penny on his hand. Hitler is the second example who wished to rule the whole world. But at the end, he ended up his life by committing a suicide. So you never know what future has stored for you. It's better to utilize your time optimally. We have to move ahead with time. Otherwise, time dominates us. Otherwise, time conquers us. Generally, what we do is go with the flow. Whatever and however life is taking us, we go along with it. Henceforth, ending up getting dominated and getting conquered by the divine power of time. Because time doesn't wait for you. It won't. If you're standing still, you'll reach nowhere. And you'll see that time is moving ahead without taking you along. It's you who have to walk, who have to take actions, who have to move on with the time. This proverb explains and illustrates the value of time. It also says that there is nothing more important than time. If you are idle, doing nothing, postponing things, then this procrastination can be really dangerous and wasteful. If you want to live a respected and a contented life, don't waste your time in idle gossips or some trivial or unwanted activities. Make the best use of time in character building and skill development. If you want to know the importance of a single minute, ask the person who has missed his train by a minute. He has to do all the bookings all together again. He has to postpone and delay his whole trip again. Respect time and the time will respect to you. At the end, I would like to say, if you wish to become something great in life, you should respect and utilize time. There's nothing and absolutely nothing more important than time. Not even money, because money can be regained or earned again. But once the time is lost, it won't return back. Thank you. May the fortune shower over you.